Hi guys, this is the affiliate hustler here, back again with a new video. And in today's video I want to show you how to create a free landing page for CPA offers. Now, before I start the video, if you want more affiliate marketing content and how to make money online and make money online videos, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and please comment and like on this video. Now, stay until the end because I will show you my favorite theme for creating free landing page offers. Now, let's get into the video. Now, let's get into the video. So, the affiliate network I'll be using for this demonstration will be Max Bounty, because I got accepted to Max Bounty and I don't really know other affiliate networks out there. I know 2 or 3, but I really use this one. As you can see, I made $22 and 4 cents. That I know that's not a lot because I'm not putting a lot of effort into it, but I know how to create free landing page offers. Now, the tool that we are going to use to create a landing page is called Getresponse. Now, before you even start yelling, "Hey, Getresponse is not free." Yes, I know Getresponse is not free, but they give you a 30-day free trial that you can use. Now, if you think about it, on those 30 days, you can use Getresponse to create your landing pages, and then you can get, with the money that you'll be making with CPA, you'll be able to afford Getresponse. But you have a 30-day free trial, no credit card required, that you can start using in the link in the description to start making your landing pages for free, and they are very good quality. And this is why I chose Getresponse, and this is why you should hop in the 30-day free trial too. Yes, so I know it's not free after the 30-day trial, but if you think about it, is $15, and $15 for all the things that they are giving you, that is a lot. And if you compare it to ClickFunnels is $97 a month. To Builderall is also Builderall is $30 a month. Kartra is also, I think, $125 a month. If you compare to all the funnel and sales funnels builder out there, this is the cheapest one, and this is the most bang for your buck, if you think about it. So let's go to the landing page creator here, where it says create landing page. You'll be able to access this once you access this free trial. I will link the link in the description. Now, when you click on create landing page, it will bring to this window where all templates will show up. These are pre-made templates for you, so that you can start making a landing page. In this case, I'll first choose the offer that I'll be promoting. In this case, I'll choose this Boost Mail Supplement. I'll choose this, and I'm going to put it similar. I'm going to make it similar to I'm going to make my landing page similar to this sales page. Now, what I'll do is I'll create something similar. Let me look. So I'll choose this one called Fitness Journey. I will put YouTube CPA demo. So I'll choose this one, and I will mimic the my landing page to the sales page, so it looks congruent. Now let me create it for you. First, I'll remove this, and in the background I'll put this. I put some guy on a model. You you can fully customize the landing page as you want. It's up to you what images you choose. I really recommend you, if you're going to do a CPA landing page, to make it congruent. So, okay, now that there it is. So let me fit it to the screen. No, that is okay. Okay, now if we'll preview it, that's okay. What I'll put here is something along the lines of get ready to be the alpha male. The same, you just copy the same thing that it's on the sales page. Here I'll put scientifically research formula. Now I will remove the email part. I will remove this because when you are creating a landing page, the only thing that you want is for them to know what they'll be getting into, and obviously you want to show them. You want them to click for them to go to the offer page then. So I'll change the color of this. I'll maybe put it red, and maybe I'll add like a square on here so as to look it more professional. I'll put it with no border, and the color white, and black. I'll put opacity, so that the letters are standing out. So what I'll do, if I had more time, I would no, I'll do it. What I would do is I will print screen the logo and put the same logo on the landing page. So let me save that. Save. And then I'll add the image. I'll add the image here. So you're seeing it's fully customizable. And I will also remove this section. Not this one. This one. I will remove it so that the landing page is only this part, and then I will show you where to put your affiliate link. Now let me look for the image. Image, files. So I will add the logo here along the lines of that, and what I'll do is here I will put the call to action for them to click and get redirected to the offer page. So you can see how from a free template I could make the landing page. Now here I'll add the product, and I will add a call to action, get yours now, and I will describe the product briefly and put a call to action so as to get redirected to the offer page. Now I'll add the product. And remember, this is all free for 30 days. And remember that you'll make your money back. Remember that. Because that is why I'm showing this method. I will copy this part and just put it here as text. You just have to be not that you just mimic the sales page. It's as easy as that. Where's the text here? Place your text. So this, I'll put it in red. Okay. Enhance libido and stamina. But which, okay. And I'll put this on. Okay. I will fast forward this part so that you don't get bored. And I will change the font to Focus 1. I'll put something along the lines. Boost X is say natural ingredients that help your body increase free testosterone energy. What is this font? XO2. I'll use XO2 here too. Say always on your landing page, always use the same font as you used in the first place, or the same font that is used in the sales page, so as to have congruency. Oh, here it is. So, and I'll add like those things, and I will increase the font. As you can see, XO2, and I will put this on save, and here I will put the product, and then I will put the call to action, and that is it for the landing page. Now what you can also do, because the downside of Getresponse is that they don't optimize for mobile, so that is the downside of Getresponse. So you'll have to optimize it on your own on this tab here. So you'll put okay, let's go mobile, and it will automatically optimize it for you, and then you'll have to put some things in order so as to make things look congruent, you know. So let me refer. So there we go. There I added the bottle. Now I'll add a button here, and I'll put I want my bottle, all in caps. And I'll use something called color picker, a Chrome extension which allows you to grab the colors that you want, and I will use all the same colors. Okay, I will use all the same colors for the call to action. And okay, let me position the color and use this one. Okay, so there it is. Okay, now I'll put this here. And yeah, there is your landing page. Now what you do is well, the button, here is where you go to your link URL. You just go here, well, request approval to run. When you have the approval to run, what you should do is go here and put the link in here, and you copy paste your link here and you click OK, and then you go to preview, and you, in this case, well, let me put a link to a website that I have. So link URL www.google.com, open a new window. Okay, you save. Let's preview it. One thing I would do is I would remove the background from the logo. So what you click I want my bottle, and it redirects to google.com. And that is how you create a free landing page. Now, to get Getresponse, remember the link will be in the description. That is it for this video. If you have any questions on how to use the landing page creator from Getresponse, please feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and that was all for this video. Hope you like it. Till next one, guys.